Hello and welcome to Mazda Stockport. We are incredibly excited today to be looking at the all-new Mazda6e. So this very slick looking key fob does some very clever stuff. And for those clever ones amongst you, you've probably noticed that this car has come all the way from Switzerland on a single charge. Well, no, not quite, but I am delighted to announce that this car can do up to 348 miles on one charge. So as I said, this car has come from Switzerland, and that's why the steering wheel's on the wrong side of the car. Don't worry, that will be corrected when it comes to the UK. But what you do get is a true sense of pure luxury, high technology, and an outstanding quality finish. This is the Takumi spec, beautiful leather finish, fantastic large console, great driving position, and total peace and tranquility when you're on the move.